minus. I take away things. I have many names. Take away. Subtraction. Remaining. Less. Minus. Coin. Left. Five fishes are swimming in the water. 2 are eaten by a shark. How many left?
5 minus 2 equals 3.
Out of 4 fishes, 2 are eaten by a big shark. How many fishes left?
4 minus 2 equals 2.
Mr. Big Mouth Crocodile loves to eat gumballs. There are 6 gumballs. He eats 3. How many gumballs left?
6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 gumballs are left.
Crocodile saw 7 gumballs and eat 5 of them. How many left?
7 minus 5 equals 2. 2 gumballs are left.
Squish the ball. Take out of 10 balls and squish away 5. How many balls left?
10 minus 5 equals 5. 5 are left.
My teeth are so dirty. It has 9 germs. 4 are washed away. How many germs left?
9 minus 4 equals 5.